Most traders would rather protect their ego than protect their capital. Let that sink in for a second, because that one sentence explains why so many traders keep losing money and keep blaming something else. Your strategy was never the problem. Think about the last trade you lost. Was it really the strategy that failed you? Hold that thought. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the real issue. For now, I want you to watch something.
Talking about practice. Not a game. We talking about practice.
Allen Iverson, one of the greatest to ever play the game. And that press conference became one of the most iconic moments in sports history. And I'm pleased to announce, we both rep the 757. But here's what most people miss about that moment. Iverson had already put in years of practice before he ever said that. He had the foundation. He had the reps. He earned the right to question it. Most traders haven't even started. They skip the simulator, skip the repetition, skip the foundation, and they're out here trading real money wondering why they keep losing. We're going to come back to that too. So let's talk about what's actually destroying your account. There are two emotions working against you right now. The first one is greed, and greed doesn't always look like greed. Sometimes it looks like confidence. You're up on a trade, you know you should exit, but something says, let it ride. Then the market reverses and you give it all back. Every dollar, and often more. That wasn't a strategy problem. That was greed dressed up as conviction. Now the second emotion, and this one is harder to admit. It's pride. Pride is what keeps you from hitting reset and exploring a simulator while you're hemorrhaging money. Think about it. Someone suggests you try paper trading, go practice, and something in you resists. You'd rather keep losing real money than admit you need a reset. That's not discipline. That's pride disguised as optimism. And here's where it gets real. Most traders would rather protect their ego than protect their capital. The simulator feels like a step backward, but losing real money while your emotions are in the driver's seat, that's not a step forward. That's a guaranteed loss waiting to happen. I know this from personal experience. I lost $10,000 on a single trade. Not because my strategy was wrong, but because my emotions were in control, and I didn't even know it. Fear had me holding too long. Greed had me ignoring the exit, and pride kept me from admitting I wasn't ready. That one trade built Market Mindset University, because I finally realized the market doesn't care about your strategy. It feeds on your emotions. Now remember that last trade I asked you to think about. Was it really your strategy? Or was it fear, greed, or pride showing up at the worst possible moment? Be honest with yourself, because that honesty is worth more than any indicator or setup you could ever trust. Here's your solution. Before you spend another dollar, before you employ another strategy, master the one thing that determines whether any strategy works, your mindset. At MMU, we built an entire curriculum around this. Mindset first, strategy second. And you can start our course today without spending a single dime. First, go to mmufreeguide.com right now. Get instant access to the simulator guides we built specifically for struggling traders. Then, begin our trading psychology course at mmu.media. Because the best trade you'll ever make isn't in the market. It's your decision to fix the one thing that's been sabotaging your progress. Your strategy was never the problem. It was always your emotions. So here's your challenge. Go place a dozen practice trades on a simulator. No real money, just reps, just practice. Now the only question left is this. Will you let your ego prevent you from becoming the profitable trader you were destined to be? I'm Professor Jeff. This is Market Mindset University, and we'll see you in the next lesson.